Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Ram Express Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2211AA. 20,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Ram brand new, Delmonico red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Seats flip up for additional cargo space. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. And trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bedliner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Ram has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning and integrated trailer brake control. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Up another way for a middle passenger. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimate to an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.